Welcome back to Bike Buzzing, your go-to source for the latest motorcycle news, reviews, and in-depth insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases of the year, the 2025 Harley Davidson X500. A bike that's stirring up attention in the middleweight segment, the X500 marks Harley's continued push to appeal to a broader, younger, and more global audience. So if you're curious about what this bike offers in terms of performance, design, and value, stick around, we've got everything covered. A new direction for Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson has been breaking its own mold in recent years, and the X500 is a shining example of that evolution. Developed in collaboration with QJ Motor, this bike is specifically designed for international markets, especially targeting urban riders and newer motorcyclists. The 2025 model builds on the foundation of last year's debut with a few notable upgrades and refinements that make it more competitive than ever in the sub-500cc segment. Engine and performance. At the heart of the X500 lies a 500 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, putting out around 47 horsepower and 46 Nm of torque. While that might not scream traditional Harley muscle, it delivers a smooth and responsive ride that feels lively in the city and confident on the open road. The engine is liquid-cooled and fuel-injected, ensuring better efficiency and reliability, two key concerns for everyday riders. Paired with a 6-speed transmission, the gear shifts are crisp, making it easy for both beginners and seasoned riders to enjoy. Riding dynamics and comfort. What stands out about the X500 is how nimble it feels. With a relatively low seat height of around 31 inches, it's accessible for shorter riders, yet spacious enough for taller folks not to feel cramped. Weighing in at approximately 207 kilograms, wet, it strikes a balance between stability and maneuverability. The suspension setup, a $41 million fork at the front and a monoshock at the rear, does a commendable job of soaking up urban bumps while still offering enough stiffness for spirited weekend rides. Braking is handled by dual front discs and a single rear disc, all backed by dual-channel ABS for added safety. Design and styling. Harley didn't cut corners when it came to design. The 2025 Extension 500 continues to look sharp with its neo-retro styling, blending modern aggression with hints of classic cruiser attitude. The tank is sculpted, the LED headlamp gives it a premium touch, and the blacked-out finishes give it a stealthy, urban vibe. This year's model gets updated graphics and a couple of new color options, including a striking matte green and a dark crimson red that turns heads on the street. Technology and features. In terms of features, Harley has kept things practical. The instrument cluster is a simple yet functional digital LCD unit, displaying speed, RPM, fuel levels, and trip info. While it doesn't have smartphone connectivity or ride modes, what it offers is reliable and easy to use, something many riders actually prefer. The switchgear feels solid, the mirrors are well placed, and there's even a USB charging port tucked in for your phone or navigation device. Pricing and value proposition. One of the biggest talking points with the X500 is its pricing. Harley Davidson is positioning it competitively in the middleweight category, with prices starting at around $6,000 to $6,500, depending on the market and variant. That puts it head-to-head with bikes like the Kawasaki Z500 and Honda CB500F. However, where Harley shines is in the brand appeal, it's offering the Harley experience in a smaller, more manageable package, without breaking the bank. Who should buy the X500? The 2025 x500 is ideal for new riders looking for their first bike, urban commuters who want something stylish and nimble, and even experienced riders seeking a fun, lightweight second bike. It won't replace your Road Glide or Pan America, but it offers a new entry point into the Harley lifestyle, accessible, practical, and still distinctively Harley. Final thoughts, is it worth it? Harley Davidson's 2025 Extension 500 proves that big things can come in small packages. It may not roar like the traditional Harleys, but it carries the soul of the brand into a new age. With solid performance, approachable ergonomics, and eye-catching design, the X500 is Harley's way of saying it's ready to evolve, and it wants new riders along for the journey. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a die-hard fan curious about something different, the X500 deserves a serious look. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Buzzing. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Harley Davidson X500, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more motorcycle news and reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you consider adding the X500 to your garage? Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.